यू सी मूवी का ट्रेलर भेजो, सीधी मूवी मत भेजो. वो लोग जो हैं वो कास्ट का नाम पढ़ते पढ़ते ही बोर होके स्विच ऑफ कर देते हैं. योर ट्रेलर शुड बी वेरी एक्साइटिंग. व्हाट इज दैट हाफ अ पेज नोट दैट यू कैन क्रिएट दैट दे से इस एनजीओ से मिलना पड़ेगा. The balance between planning and intuitiveness or the urgency, because NGOs on the ground are seeing that there is some work that has to be done within a month, tomorrow. But then there's this entire planning exercise. The tension between head and heart. I think that is I think something which is even today plays out when corporates meet NGOs. When CSR started, if you remember, all of you would remember, initially it would be on the corporate side, either somebody from HR or somebody from corporate communication which will take up the position. Am I right? And the biggest problem even I saw happening, that some of these people were not trained or were not experienced to understand what is happening on the ground. I think one of a very big success for the NGO sector today is that some of us from this side have now crossed and moved on to the other side. We meet a lot of MSWs in CSR positions now. We meet a lot of our ex-colleagues in the CSR positions now. So one gap that I have seen filling up is understanding of what the grassroots issues are, and which is a very, very positive movement that we have made. I believe that small NGOs are simply not getting space to present themselves anywhere. Even in CSR world, there are certain NGOs which have become well known. You see, I do understand what CSR people are going through. They also want to make sure that I want project to finish on time, I want good quality work to be done, I want money to be used properly, and I know that ex-CSR worked with this NGO and they are happy with it. So a lot of ref checking happens. So CSR teams move into the zone of working with NGOs which are known to have contributed. So I think one gap that we have to fulfill is to give space to smaller NGOs to present themselves. So there are 5 things that we generally look at. Of course, government, you have to partner government, and I will not talk about it. All of you have done enough and more work in that space. I'll talk about the other 4 pillars. First thing is, if you have to scale up, organization has to get ready, which means beyond the CEO of an NGO, the organization has to be ready. What does it mean? You have to create clear processes. A person blindly should know in this situation, what is it that I have to do? Very clear delegation of authority. If you are still receiving calls from the field saying क्या करना है, आप scale up नहीं कर पाएंगे. Processes, DOA, very good training of your people. They should be as well trained as you are. Muscle memory होती है ना, ऐसे काम करना है. And very clear value system. Guard rails आपको बहुत clear करने हैं. क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं. So organizational readiness and people included are 2 big pillars that I have personally worked on. All my team members were fully informed, fully trained, empowered with clear process and clear delegation of authority. क्या कर सकते हो, क्या नहीं कर सकते हो. The second thing, I'm saying it, don't take it in a negative manner, okay, is that how do you make a safety pin out of your program, right? हम लोग अपने programs बहुत passionately design करते हैं. छोटी छोटी चीज़, ऐसा करेंगे, lot of innovation we bring in. But if a program is too complex and which only your personal supervision or your top people, second in line supervision can deliver it well, then you have created a very complex program which cannot be replicated and scaled up. Look at a safety pin. सालों से same design है. ठीक बोल रही हूँ? Works effectively. You don't require any training to use it. Everybody knows how to use it. Any age group can use it. Remains as effective as it was. So as and when you are piloting a new program, go on looking at how do I simplify it? How do I simplify it without losing effectiveness? Safety pin has not lost its effectiveness. NGOs support NGOs. right? You may be an upcoming NGO. There's already a big NGO in health. If at least bigger NGOs in health know about you, you will start receiving some part of the large projects that they're doing, and that gives you a very good opening into corporate houses as well. And I completely agree with Matthew. Become very strategic in picking up the corporate. Do not send them. You see, मूवी का ट्रेलर भेजो, सीधी मूवी मत भेजो. वो लोग जो हैं वो कास्ट का नाम पढ़ते पढ़ते ही बोर होके स्विच ऑफ कर देते हैं. योर ट्रेलर शुड बी वेरी एक्साइटिंग. व्हाट इज दैट हाफ अ पेज नोट दैट यू कैन क्रिएट दैट दे से इस एनजीओ से मिलना पड़ेगा. गो टू कॉलेजेस, टाई अप विद कम्युनिकेशन कॉलेजेस बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. गेट दो स्टूडेंट्स टू कम एंड वर्क. हम लोगों को इतना सोशल मीडिया कैसे पोस्ट को बूस्ट करना है ये सब नहीं आता. ये बच्चों को सब आता है. AI can immediately generate a list of corporates as per your work. Correct? They can even get you the databases. आप लोग जो phone directory पता करते रहते हो, AI को write command सीख लोगे. Get some engineering students to come and do it for you free of cost. Your uncle's son is doing engineering. वो 2 मिनट में आपको list निकाल के दे देगा. Correct?